Okay, so this next step, what we want to do is we want to take this character and put it in different layers. You know, when we import from Google Draw, it imports all of this stuff here, and basically it's just one layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the head, and then the body, and then the right arm or left arm, and then right and left leg. So the easiest way that I found to do this is just click on a layer, and we'll call this head. Okay, and then we'll make another layer and we'll call this body. Okay, make another layer, call it left arm. Okay, make another layer, call it right arm. Alright, and left leg. Whoops, and then another layer, call it right leg. Okay, so let me get that, turn that into a hyphen there. Alright, so now whenever I open this layer, you're going to have this clipping mask and all that stuff, and it's just, you don't need all that. So, okay, so here we go. We have this wig that we want to put in there. So we're just going to take this layer and drag and drop it into the head, okay? Because we already know that that's the wig. If you uncheck it and check it in, we drag it into the head layer. So this is a clipping mask. We really don't need it. It doesn't do anything but clip. So we don't care about that. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. So we go through these one at a time and keep the ones that we want, throw the rest out. So this is probably the shoe layer. So this is another shoe. Okay, so you can see these little icons here. If you hold Shift down, and you know that this is going to go into one of the legs. Okay, if you want to know which one's the left one, which one's the right one, just do this. Okay, and I'm going to assume that this is the outline for it. Okay, so that's how you can find out which one you want. So I'll highlight this, hold my Shift key down, select the next one, and I'm going to drag this up and drop it into the left leg. Okay, left leg, where are you? There you are. Okay, and then obviously this is going to be the right leg. I'm going to hold my Shift key down, select all, come up and drop it into my right leg, just like that. Okay, now you're not sure what something is, you can see that this is the body, and this is the body too. Okay, so we're going to take the body, hold Shift down so we can select more than one, come up here, drag and drop it into the body. Okay, just simple as that. This looks like it might be the nose, and it is, so this goes up into the head. Okay, I'm going to drop that into the head. This here, what is this? Don't really know. So it's probably something that Google brought in, but we're just going to go ahead and leave that there for now, and we're going to uncheck this. Okay, so these are the eyes. Okay, maybe this is part of the eye, the filling for the eye, so that's an eye, pupil, iris. So we know that this is all eye stuff. So I'm going to select this, hold my Shift key down, select this one. I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to drop it right into the head. Okay, just like that. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. You could do yours the same way, but that's how we get these different layers. And this is what's really going to help you in Adobe After Effects, animating these layers. Okay, so the preparation in Adobe Illustrator is going to save you tons of time later. So I'll be right back with you. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this graphic here. Okay, so I finished putting my layers in. You'll notice my photograph is a little bit messed up, but I'm going to show you how to deal with that. And this is like a leftover layer from Google Draw. I'm just going to click delete because I don't need that layer. Okay, now all of this is the arrangements. Okay, so if we go up to head, for example, make sure, see, we have everything in the head, we have everything we need in the body, left arm, right arm. Okay, so now we know that the right arm and the left arm go behind the body, and so do the right leg and left leg. So basically all we have to do is take this body and drag it to the top. Okay, let me see if I can put it on top. Sometimes let me just drag that right leg underneath the body, and there we go. We're kind of getting there of what we wanted, but we could see that the head is a little messed up. In fact, the head should be on top of the body, shouldn't it? Okay, so let's go ahead and drag the head up there. I'm going to go grab on the body, drag it down there. Okay, now inside these layers are actually other layers. Okay, now we know that this path, the wig actually goes on top, but this the face skin goes on the bottom. So we'll put the face skin on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and drag that wig and put it on the top. Okay, so we're kind of getting where we need to be. And this pupil here, the pupil, I'm going to hold my shift key down, select that. I'm going to drag it above because, there's no reason for it to be underneath anything else. And then you get to see it revealed here. Okay? Now you could go through and put the pupils together and everything like that if you want. But there you go. I mean, you have your head, you have your body, and if you look at the foot, looks like the foot are going behind the pants. So all you'll do is drag, select this, hold your shift key down, select this, and put that on top. Okay, so now you got your shoes back. So let's go do the same thing with the left leg. All right, and now we have that already. Okay, so now if you're going to animate the eyes and the mouth, you really don't want to have them in Illustrator, and you don't want to have them active in your Illustrator file. So all you'll do is you'll go down here, and where you have your eyes, take your eyes out. Okay. And a fast way to do this is, let me show you. You can hold and drag these and just hide everything that you want to hide just by like that. Holding and dragging your mouse down. Okay. So there we have our animated character. Let's take their mouth out. Now we're ready for animated eyes and mouth. Okay. But more importantly, we're ready to bring this into After Effects and start animating this character, because we have the different layers that we need. So I'm just going to hit File, Save, and that's how you take this little character from Google Draw and put it in Adobe Illustrator and get all the layers right. Okay, next tutorial, After Effects.